Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see surgical mask manufacturing. There are a lot of job opportunities in the market. So we have to grab the market as we are in the COVID situation. This is the best, one of the best manufacturing and profit making, easy profit making industry. So normally if you see I have given five categories: face mask manufacturing and hand sanitation manufacturing, face shield manufacturing, apron and glass and spectacles. Now we will see how face mask manufacturing can be done, what is the equipment required, how much the profit is there, how much the sales is there, expenses is there, how much the profit is there, how many manpowers are required, whether we have to do retail or wholesales, how we have to market it. So these are the things I will tell you step by step. Please listen to me and you discuss with your friends. I always tell everybody that before starting any business you have to discuss it, because any business will not give profit. All the business will not give profit because there will be ups and downs. We have to see what is the ups, what is the down, what is the negative in that, how we can rectify in that. If something went wrong, now I have manufactured everything. If I don't sell, how I will pay to rent, how I will pay to laborers, how I will pay to bank loans, everything. So according to that, so you have to decide. You have to get support from your family, your friends, and then relatives. Surely, I always insist that first discuss, take the project. Now I want to do this. For that, what is the plus, what is the minus, what is the profit, what is the negative. You have to see and you have to analyze this. After that, if you start, so prolong, you must not prolong the discussion. You have to make it within 10 days or 1 month. You decide it and then you start it and get loan from bank. Always I insist, get loan from bank, because you will put your margin 25%, bank will give margin of 75%. You have to pay the interest. So your mind always tell you that I have to get profit, I have to pay monthly interest to the bank. In that motive, surely you will go on. So I will go on this. Please, which you see it, whether it is correct or not, you discuss in the comment box. Lot of friends, one of the friend Asaruddin, really I am happy in that textile industry. I have put garments. He was depthly, he was speaking everything, per cost how much, per order how I can get it, how the where I have to get the machineries, that embroidery machinery how I can get it, how many manpower I have to put, how much area it is required, how many days it will take. So he went very long. Really I am happy that many are having lot of knowledges and you are discussing with me. Really Sasaruddin, in this video I really thank you a lot. And like many are calling and they are telling that how this can be done, because everybody are interested to go on and do business. It is my best wishes. Please follow it. Okay, normally if you see COVID, not only COVID time, all the time it is needed. So whether I am going to do face mask, hand sanitizer, or a face shield, apron, or glass spectacles. So which business I am going to do? So according to that, there is a process, manufacturing, equipment, profit, loss, everything will be there. So I have taken a face mask, because per family, in a family, nearly father, mother, 2 children. So nearly 4 to 5 people will be there. Each person will be having 2 to 4. So I have taken here that each person is having 3 masks. So totally 4 people, 12 masks. And that normally in we will be using within the cloth mask. And when we go outside, we will use surgical mask. So on office side or mother side, we will use a surgical masks. So what is the cost and all we will see. So from that face mask I have taken. In that 2 types is there. One is manufacturing, another whether I am going to manufacture it or I am going to trade it. For manufacturing, semi-automatic is there, semi-automatic, and another is fully automatic. And semi-automatic is the initial starting machine, which will cost 1.5 lakhs to up to, it will go up to 10 lakhs like it will be there. Fully automatic is up to 25-30. We will be having fully automatic. If you give the cloth, 1 meter cloth continuously, that according to the size. So how much will be there? 40 mm, and this is how much then 100 mm and 20 mm or 30 mm or 50 mm. Normally 150 will be the rectangle shape. So according to that there will be stitching, another is welding. So like that continuously there is a process will be there, that is fully automatic. After I have manufactured it, whether I am going to do retail, I am having my shop, wholesale shop, in that retail also wholesale, whether I am going to supply to pharmacy, hospitals and many, because all the shops, even that supermarket, any shop, small shop also, they are having masks, because without mask your police or municipality and commission, they are fining 100 rupees or 200 rupees. So if you see, all maximum all must have mask. It is the compulsory, not only in India. So COVID is running, there is a first wave finished, the second wave is running, another they are telling that third wave. So trading, manufacturing and trading, so both are having very significant here. So if you go for, according to the amount, if you go for Mudra scheme or PMEGP and NEET scheme, so up to 10 lakhs you want to machinery, so you can go for that. And for up to 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs Mudra, Shishu, Kishore, Tarandar is there, so we can go for that. PMEGP up to 25 lakh manufacturing, so and services also you can go for that, and that NEET scheme also up to, you can go for up to 1 crore. So you have to decide which type, first what type of business I am going to do, then what manufacturing or trading or services, or then loan amount we have to decide. So now we decided that we are going to do manufacturing, face mask, we are going to do face mask manufacturing, and we will be giving Mudra scheme up to 10 lakhs we are going to get loan. So surgical mask manufacturing, that we have told it clearly. There is online platforms, so Amazon, Flipkart, lot of there you can sell it bulk. They will get the material from you, and you will get order from Amazon and you can send to them. It is a very good. If you see opportunities, all the hospital, not only COVID time, all the time hospitals need, doctors need, nurses need, patient, everybody needs in hospital. Another thing is COVID-19, as you know that first wave, second wave and third waves are running. So what are the requirements? There are two types. One is I am going to manufacture cloth type of face mask, or surgical non-woven type, polypropylene type face mask. Which type I am going to do? It will come in a roll. So normally 1 meter roll will be 35 to 45 rupees, and for material cloth type up to 50 rupees will be there. Normally 1 meter 50 rupees. So in that I can make the production of for 150 rupees. So according to that we can make it. So non-woven materials 35 to 45. So elastic roll rope will be there. Machines. So is this semi-automatic or fully automatic? If we got to see it, another semi-automatic, fully automatic. Then on the surgical mask, that's a welding machines. So only two machine, only surgical mask making machine and rope welding machine. Otherwise that non-woven fabric cutting machine and rope welding machine. These are the two machines. Initially the amount will be 1.5 for one machinery. The elastic rope welding 0.5, 50,000 is there initial value. It will go up to 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs. It is up to our wish, which type of machinery, make, model which we are going. According to Google, there are a lot of machineries are there which are, so you have to check which machine to get it, because according to the type you have to check the machineries, and according to that you can get a quotation. Investments, how much area must be there? 500 to 1000 square feet it must be there. For 500, for because in fully automatic you need 1000. It's a full complete machines. So nearly it will be 10 meter of the length and 2.5 meter length. So for that 1000 square feet must be there. In a single shot you will get it 3000 to 5000 cut machines per day. Another thing is machine equipments, 1.8 to 25 lakhs. Labor cost will be there. 3 labors I am employing. 8,000 I am paying. So 24,000. EB bill 25,000. EB bill is for semi-automatic 5 to 6 kilowatt is okay. For fully automatic up to 10 kilowatt we need to get EB power. We will have agreement with them. So if government is giving EB also some amount free. So it, according to the like 100 unit, 50 unit, 150 unit, there are some amounts are free for EB also. So you have to use for that. And 25,000 is other expenses. Like that I have given expenses here. and there are a lot of opportunities like hand sanitizer, facial, everyone, which I am going to see. Per day cost, per day production is, we can go up to 3000 to 5000, and per cost of production we can go for normally for surgical it will be 1.5 rupees. So I am selling it for 3 rupees, and for manufacturing of cloth it is only 2 rupees, and I am going for 5 rupees, because you also must be know when the corona started, initially that the surgical masks were like 10 rupees, 15 rupees was there. Now it is like 8 rupees, 6 rupees the rate, you know it clearly. So we will sell it 1 rupee or 50 paise lesser than the market, so that we are new and we are entering into the market, so we are selling less. So this cost will be including material, EB, manpower, everything it will be there. If you see the calculation, income per day 3000, 9000 will be my income, and expenses will be half of that, 4500. So my daily profit is 4500. Monthly 2,70,000 I can make sales. For that 1,35,000 is expenses, and I will be having 1,35,000 will be my profit, half of that profit. Yearly 32,40,000 will be my income generation, and expenses will be 16,20,000. In that profit, after reducing expenses, I will be getting 16,20,000. So if I am an employee, I am working in under construction, I am getting 10,000 or 20,000 per month, and I am getting in a year how much you will be there. So but if I am manufacturing, I am the owner, I am taking lot of risks like machineries installation, manpower, marketing, everything I am doing, and I am getting this much income. This surely will come. You check with there are a lot of companies in Tirupur, Tiruchengodu, Namakkal, and Coimbatore. They say lot of companies are there. They are doing manufacturing. Nowadays they are giving like with mask printed name, like a Pothys with a symbol, or any company's name, TVS with a symbol, or minimum order is 100, maximum more than that. So in bunch they are giving. For customers also Pothys is giving the mask with their branded name. Like that you can get bulk order. You can discuss with them, you can speak with them, and you can get the order, and you can do this business well. So whenever I always used to tell that this is a calculation. This calculation may be wrong, may be right. So this is the input I am giving to you. You always discuss with your friends. First you study, make a study, discuss with your family and friends, and you start the business. Surely this is the first step. I am your well-wisher, I am your brother, and within the family. So first this is the first step, input, and you gather it, and you after that you discuss. Always discuss will give you good income, because in your area, and there will be some limitations for current. So this need current. So you have to start from suppose you are starting the equipment 9 o'clock, you are starting up to 8 o'clock. So if there is some current fluctuation, then according to you must see everything, manpower, whether it is available, whether mechanic, if anything. These are the simple machines, so it doesn't need many integrations under, but anything. So you have to check everything, and you decide it. Then in lot of machines are available in Google. So you discuss with them, you ask them quotation, everything, you get it. You ask the bank also, because now government has strictly told all the banks to give collateral free loan to develop the machine, manpower, our Indian economy. So surely all banks are now ready to give. So this is my best choice to tell you that face mask is one of the necessary in all days. If you like this video, if it is necessary, if it is profit and it is fruitful to you, kindly subscribe it and share with your friends, and support me by this. If anything, you put in my comment box, because always all will not be correct, even I am not correct, everybody. So we must discuss ourselves. This is the best stuff. You have started thinking, started to do the business, you will do it, and be a great person, be a great businessman. It is my wishes. Thanks a lot for watching this.